till now we have learnt how to make a post in your blog. So now move to next. See, here are the stats part. It will show the number of posts, number of comments or number of followers to your blogspot, your blog page here. As I have only one post posted last time, that's why it is showing only one post here. Comments part will show the comments present in your particular blog, as a blog allow users to comment on your particular blog. Earning part will be done after the creation of blog part, and when it become popular then you can earn from blogging. For that purpose you have to make an account in AdSense, and for AdSense there are many rules and regulations for that. Next we move to pages. So now let's understand how to create a page in a blog. Just clicking on pages, you will get a link here that is new page. Click on that. So here is the interface of page. See, here I want to show you one more thing about it, about the blog part, is that as we have learned HTML and CSS portion, so we can use that HTML part here also. See, if you are not able to understand what to do or what to write or how to insert image or how to make images moving, so here at corner, left corner, you see a link. Here is the HTML view and one is the compose view. So one is compose view is showing you, and when you click on HTML it will show you the HTML code part. So you will work in both, as it is up to you. Just remember, no need to include HTML tag and body tag. Simply write the contents you want to include in your particular page. So let's understand. See, if you want to insert images, here are for insert image, here is the link, upload for computer, then the images you want. See, I want these 4 images, just simply insert. As I am inserting images in pages, you can insert images in post also. Previously we learnt about post, so by this way we can also insert images in post. So here we go, the images are inserted. Now let's see the HTML view part of this. See, that is the HTML view part of these images. So if you want to use marquee, just simply insert a marquee tag in front and in the end. So let's see, now go to the compose view and see the preview of this particular page. See, so now marquee is working here. So you can work in blog with your HTML code as well as with your simply inserting by clicking the buttons you can insert image, or if you want to use HTML code then you can use that. Okay, so here is the marquee. So there are many things like font type, if you want to select any font, or formatting tags are there, coloring is there, or from here if you want to insert a video. So blogs are not restricted to just images or text. You can use videos also in this particular page or in the post part. So if you want to publish it, this page settings, for page settings here is only a simple option, reader comments. You want to allow comments or not. Just simply publish this page. After publishing, it will save and will show in your pages part. See, so here is the pages part. See, I have not given it a name, so you have to give a name to it. Like it is a first page, I am just giving the name that is first, and simply you can update it. So it is very easy to work with blogs. So let's see the preview. So here is the preview, and its name is also updated.